How to change your Roblox avatar. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox application on your device, or you can also open the web version of Roblox. Now, on the left side toolbar, you will see the option for avatar. So tap on the avatar option, and here you will see a bunch of options that you can make changes in. Here, you will see options such as avatars, body, clothing, accessories, animations, or makeup. You can also tap on the customize option you see there and then go ahead and choose different variations of avatar that you want to make changes to your Roblox. So simply tap on all the options that you want to add to your avatar on Roblox. Some might require Robux points and some might be free. So if the avatar customization requires Robuxes, you will need to tap on the buy item option you see there in order to buy the item and add it to your avatar. Now, go ahead and simply make all the required changes to your Roblox avatar that you want, and once done, as you can see, the changes that you made has been saved. So, this was about how you can change your avatar on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.